converter can move out of the way off the 4 studs at the front. Can move out of the way enough to gain access to the hanger bracket, which Jason has now taken off. With that hanger bracket in the way, the converter doesn't have enough room to come out. Hanger bracket is out. The car is already jacked up, and you have to keep spinning it clockwise to get it out. Looks easy? It's not. Back up in. And nice and slow, Jason. Spin it clockwise. As you're moving it down, you have to keep spinning it clockwise. It's a continual spin and continual drop. Okay, want to grab the other one to put in? Would you like me to install the gasket? Yes, sir. The upper gasket has to be installed. It's the metal gasket that goes to the turbo. Gasket on. Don is installing that. This one goes in the same way. It's actually much easier to get in. It's a smaller body. Now, the hanger bracket has to go back on.